Vanessa Bryant sues helicopter operator in crash that killed Kobe Bryant and 8 others. Lawyers for Vanessa Bryant, the widow of Lakers great Kobe Bryant, on Monday filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the company that operated the helicopter that crashed into a California hillside last month, killing her husband, 13-year-old daughter, and 7 others. The suit was filed on the same day that thousands of fans gathered at the Staples Center in Los Angeles to remember Bryant and his daughter. The lawsuit alleges that the helicopter company, Island Express, was vigorously liable for any and all actions of pilot Arizona Zoroban, including his negligent and carelessness piloting. Defendants, Island Express helicopter authorities, authorized and others permitted a flight with full knowledge that the subject helicopter was flying into unsafe weather conditions. The suit filed in Los Angeles County alleges. The suit also faults Zoroban for failing to properly monitor and assess the weather before taking off and for failing to abort the flight when he knew of the cloudy conditions. In an email statement, a spokesman for Island Express said, This was a tragic accident. We will have no comment on the pending litigations. The investigation is ongoing, but many have focused on the poor weather conditions. The morning of the crash, there were low clouds and restricted visibility in the area. Video included as part of an update released this month by investigators with the National Transportation Safety Board shows the helicopter disappearing into clouds before merging. A witness on a nearby mountain bike trail spotted the helicopter shortly before it slammed into a hillside. The NTSB reported did not indicate why the helicopter crashed. An analysis of the crash site and the account by the witness indicate the engineer was supplying power to the helicopter, roaring up until the moment of impact. A full report into the crash is likely to take a year or more to complete. On yesterday, Vanessa gave a heartfelt tribute to her daughter and her Kobe Bryant. A tearful memorial. She could barely get her words out. However, she spoke of how great her daughter was. She also stated that the way she viewed it was that her daughter could not have lived on this earth without her father. They were just that close. And she also talked about Kobe, the love that they shared, that they had a perfect, imperfect relationship, and also stated that they were each other's first love. And that was just amazing, because I know how it feels to be with your first love. That's your special love. It's a special love. And really, your first love never really dies if it's true love. I really enjoyed, the memorial. Shaq spoke. And what I admired about him is that he spoke on the Bryant family. He acknowledged them. And there would be no Kobe Bryant without his mother and father. There's no way that you can leave them out, because without them, we would have never known Kobe. R.I.P. Kobe and Guyana. Rest in peace forever.